Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you 6 tips I have used to start my business from very less amount. If you are going to start your business from nothing, you can implement these steps in your business and these will be very helpful for you to give you a perfect start. So my first step in 2016 was to figure out a product which has a demand in the market. So first thing I decided in 2016 to choose a product which has a very good market potential and customers are looking to buy for it. If I can get that product easily from the local market, I would have sourced from the Australia. But when I found on the website, I was able to find that product from the China. So I decided to dropship that product from China and started advertising on Facebook to test whether it has market value or not. So before you are going to start any business or before you're going to pick any product, you have to test the product in the local market. You can test local suppliers, even you can source your product from outside the country as well if it is costing very less amount to you. So I figured out a product and that product I was sourcing from China. Basically, I was drop shipping it from China and my supplier was sending the product directly to my customers. When my customer place order on my website, so my supplier ship the order directly to my customer. There are few steps I was worried about, like making product photos and putting them on the website or landing page. So that was very challenging for me. So what I have done, I took the photos from AliExpress, from supplier store, edit them a bit and put them on my website. Product photography is a very must thing you have to focus when you are going in a product based business. And the other thing, I have to decide the price, on which price I am going to sell to the local market. So I was sourcing from very less amount in China. So I put my profit margin up to 40% and added that price to the landed price and put them on my landing page to advertise my customers. Product selection is basic thing if you are going in product based business. If you find a winning product that can generate $1 million in revenue. So few things I focused on good title, good product title, good product description, and a better landing page. And you can source from any other country as well. If you have good price over there, you can source from other countries as well. Instead, when you are going to test products, there are few products which will perform better. So you have to choose on the product selection which product is going to perform for me as well. And I covered the market gap. This product was not selling in the market before. So I covered the market gap. I source that products from a cheap country and sell that in a market where it has demand. After you have find a winning product, the other thing is to build a landing page. What is a landing page? The landing page is where your customer will visit and they can find your product, they can find your product title, they can see your product images, they can find description like what is included in the product, and they can find reviews, they can find shipping policy, they can find your contact info. So these all things come in a landing page. There are different websites which can help you to build a landing page. Shopify is one of them. You can build your landing page on Shopify. You can build your landing page on ClickFunnels. There are plenty of softwares which can help you to build your landing page. I started my landing page on Shopify. I built a website on Shopify, put logo, put description, put good product photos, and put my contact info, put all my social media images and everything over my website, and I started advertising that website. Shopify is very helpful. You can use for your product-based business. If you are going to launch your first product, I will highly recommend you to use Shopify. It's very easy to use Shopify if you are going to start your business from nothing. It should have good reviews of your customers and should include shipping policy and should include your company contact info. If people want to contact you, they can easily contact with you. Your product price should be very clear. If people are going to watch your product on your landing page, they should have clear about the pricing of your product, and you should be very clear about the product pricing. If you are going to add taxes, you should include whether tax is included or not. So you should be very clear about your product policy. You should be very clear about your shipping. You should be very clear about your pricing. Pricing is very important when you are going to launch your product. So make sure you put clear prices of your product. If it's include taxes, you should mention it include taxes. And if you are providing free shipping, you should mention you are going to provide free shipping on orders above $100, or you are going to provide free shipping on all orders. After you have found your winning product, you have built a landing page. Now it's time to collect emails. When you collect emails from the customers, you can get pre-orders from your customers through emails. And when your landing page is done, you are going to open your store. You can just put a single email to your customers and they can simply go on to the link and buy the products if it's available. After I built my website, I started collecting emails from the people who were interested in my products. I started advertising on social media, I started advertising on Google, and I started sharing my link with my friends and family and other members. You can mention your product photos, you can mention your product description, you can put clickable button in your emails, and if someone is willing to buy, they can directly go on your landing page and they can get your product from there. So third steps is to collect emails from your friends, family, customers, and people who are interested in your product. The fourth thing I would recommend is to build social media presence. Even you can start making videos of your products. Short videos are very popular nowadays. You can start making short videos of your product and you can put them on TikTok, you can put them on Facebook Reels, and even you can put them on YouTube Shorts as well. Shorts are very popular nowadays. So you have to keep your presence on all social media pages to generate more sales, to generate more customers. Building social media presence is very necessary for your business. Nowadays, many people are using TikTok. They are more interested in TikTok videos. You can make short videos of your products and you can put them on TikTok. They simply scroll the videos, look into the products, and if they decide to buy, they go onto the link and they check out. After you have taken these 4 steps, the fifth step is to make account with payment processor. You can sign up with PayPal, you can sign up with Stripe to accept credit card payments, to accept debit, Visa, or MasterCard payments. You can use Shopify payments as well. Shopify has its own payment system built in. So when you sign up with Shopify store, they have their own Shopify payments which you can use for your business. If your business lands in specific regions, in specific countries, they are providing Shopify payments as well. There are many payment companies has their own customer presence. There are millions of customers who are using that. PayPal is one of them. So you can sign up a PayPal business account and you can put PayPal on checkout. The customers who are using PayPal, they can easily check out your product and using the PayPal. They will have not to enter credit card details every time. They can simply log into their PayPal and they can make payment from there. There are other payment companies who are offering, split in payments. We're offering buy now, pay later, Afterpay, ZipPay is one of them. So as much payment gateways on your website you will be generating more number of sales. You will be generating heavy number of sales. You will be having more following. You will be having more visitor, more customers, and your business will be growing. After I built my website, the last step I have to do is to launch my first campaign. Even you can launch your first campaign before you have built your landing page as well, because you can start building your following. You can let the customers know my product is coming. They can sign up for newsletters and you can start sending them emails even if you are going to launch your product in a month, in a week. So they will be waiting for your product when your product is going to arrive. If they are interested in your product, they will go to your website and they will check it out. Maybe they have events, maybe they have occasions for which they are waiting to get your product. If you are going to inform them through newsletter, so they can easily check out your product and they can get from there. Once you launch your first campaign, you cannot expect sales straight away. You can launch your first campaign, you can start building your followers, you can start engaging with your customers. Your customers are going to your website, and if you have each and everything in place, so they can go to your website and they can place order easily. I launched my first ad on Facebook, and later on I started advertising on Google as well. So some products people will be more interested on Google because they will be looking for product already. They are searching their product on Google. And some people will be more interested to find a product on Facebook if that product is not available in local market. So you can engage your customers on Facebook, and if they like product, they can share with their friends and they can simply buy your product. So these are all useful tips I have used for my business and you can use for your business if you are going to launch your business from nothing. That can be very, very helpful for you. So these are the helpful tips I have shared with you using my own experience, and you can start implementing these steps if you are going to start your business now or if you are going to start your business in future. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with another video.